Hey guys, Infidel1258 here. I want to post a quick video today talking about the stock market, specifically price valuations in the Dow Jones, fluctuations, ups and downs over the last few weeks and over the last couple months, what I think that means for its future, and then how that might apply to cryptocurrency and to silver, and what I'm doing. So, as I previously shared, I have my concerns over the stock market and its future. Obviously, I think it's been in like a 9-year bull cycle, so what goes up comes down, and that's not even me trying to disparage stock markets or the Dow Jones or investing in any of those, in any amazing companies or stocks. Those are potentially great investments, but when you look at like a 9-year bull cycle, you have to imagine that it's going to dip. So, and that's, I think, where we're at. Plus, a lot of that growth over the last years has just been the quantitative easing that's been the printing that gets comes through the Fed and then fed into the markets, and the low interest rates that lead to corporate stock buybacks, which pump up the values of all the FANGs and all the major companies that are doing so well, like JP Morgan right now and whatnot. They major buybacks on their part with low interest dollars pump up their own stock value. That's not going to happen as much as the interest rates continue to rise. And also, like I said, just the nature of bulls and bear markets, like you have to, one comes with the other. It's not an infinite bull market, that never is. So the Dow Jones is it's rallying today. It's like up 200, 300 points after falling about the same yesterday. But since its all-time highs of October 3rd and I think September 26th or something, where it was about 26,800, it's been down 1,200 points roughly. 1,200, yeah. The Dow is down 1,200 points at this point from its all-time highs, and its all-time highs being a double top, like I say, of September 26th and October 3rd, September 21st and October 3rd. Double tops are obviously an indication of technical analysis of major resistance. So you've got major resistance, you've got a 9-year bull market that has to take a dip sometimes. You're down 1,200 points in the last since its last top at October 3rd in 2 weeks. 1,200 points is a crazy dip. After the Boston Marathon bombing, when the Associated Press the Twitter feed or something, social media was hacked of the Associated Press, and there was a fake tweet about Obama being injured during a terrorist attack at the White House. The Dow Jones fell 140 points. That's huge, but we're talking about in the last 2 weeks a 1,200 point dip. So I'm worried about the stock market, even though it's rallying right now. And and then you've got silver, which is today at about an 84-to-1 gold to silver ratio, $14.62 spot price. Silvergoldbull.ca, which I'm not affiliated with, selling 10-ounce spot bars at spot price. Check it out. If you order over $500, you get free shipping. I like the bar; it's really attractive. I bought one. I'm gonna get some more. That's silvergoldbull.ca. I'll put the link in the description. So silver's a great bargain. The prices are low on spot. And then you look at cryptocurrency as a hedge as well around the stock market. And you got Bitcoin that's been stable since March. That's, what is that, 8 months of stability from Bitcoin around the 60, relative stability around $6,400 US. And so much support at 6,350, at 6,000, and it just seems like, in my mind. And then you've got Bakkt, which is coming, which is being created by Intercontinental Exchange, ICE, and same people that made the New York Stock Exchange. So trusted name, and it's going to be an exchange for Bitcoin. You'll be able to exchange Bitcoin to fiat. It's really going to introduce a lot of big money into the crypto system, doing a lot to kind of familiarize and normalize cryptocurrency investment. They're going to do storage of Bitcoin. They're going to do exchanges of Bitcoin. They're going to do futures. So that's big news. That's coming apparently this year. And then also in 2020, you got the Bitcoin halving, where Bitcoin's going to go from 12 to 6 Bitcoin every 10 minutes. And halvings are huge. Halvings are a huge deal. And 2 years is not a long way away. In fact, it's really, we're almost in 2019. So it's like a year and a half away. The last halving, Bitcoin was averaging about 400 pre-halving, 400 USD, and now it moved up to 600 USD. So that's a 50% raise or increase in price following the halving. Litecoin's a similar story. Litecoin's got its halving in 300 days, so less than a year. And the last Litecoin halving, the price average went from about $1.50 USD per Litecoin up to $4 per Litecoin. So that's a huge increase. And cryptocurrency is relatively stable at its recent prices. There's a lot of upside on that, the Litecoin and Bitcoin halvings that are, in my mind, right around the corner. Also Bakkt and, major institutional investment that's theoretically coming. You got Gemini that recently created their stable coin. And so there's just so much, I think, bullishness around crypto that I think it's wise to make that play. Plus, like I said, silver is always a play that I'm on board with. And with silvergoldbull.ca offering the spot bars, like how can you argue? It's $20 shipping, but $500 or more, it's free shipping. And I'm just very bullish on crypto. I'm very bullish on silver, and I'm completely bearish on the stock market. I wish more people would express the same sentiment, and I'm surprised that that's not the case. I think if you're holding stocks, if you're listening to me at all, I'm no financial advisor. I have no expertise exactly at all. I'm all I can do is share my story and what I've done. But these are my views on what I'm doing with my money and what I would be doing with any new money I'm putting into investment. I don't know if you guys have any questions about any of that, but if you do, please leave a note in the comments below. As always, I really appreciate your guys' views, your attention, your time, and it means a lot to me. So trying to produce daily content and grow as a producer and deliver what people are hoping to see. So thank you so much. I hope you have an awesome day, and God bless you.